Potato means aloo. Tomato means tomato. Cabbage means pata gobi. Capsicum means shimla mirch. Pea means matar. Brinjal means bangan. Mint means pudina. Onion means pyaj. Radish means mooli. Pumpkin means kaddu. Carrot means gajar. Broccoli means hari gobi. Cucumber means kheera. Bitter gourd means karela. Lemon means nimbu. Ginger means adrak. Chili means mirch. Mushroom means kukurmuta. Beetroot means chukandar. Garlic means lahasun. Ladyfinger means bhindi. Coriander means dhania. Bottle gourd means lauki. Beans means phaliyan. Turnip means shalgam. Spinach means palak. Sweet potato means shakarkand. Fenugreek means methi. Ringe gourd means torai. Pointed gourd means parval.